Hi everyone, my name is Ellen and this is a tarot reading for Scorpio for September. First of all, thank you very much for watching and well done everyone for surviving the August. I know that was a very difficult and challenging month for many zodiacs, for many people. So well done for surviving. And another small advice that from 10th of September till 2nd of October we're gonna have a retrograde Mercury, so it's not advisable to buy something big or make big investments and start a new business or new ideas, start something absolutely new from zero. I would even take 2 or 3 days before 10th of September and add 2 or 3 days after 2nd of October for best results. So it's not advisable to buy something big as a cars, properties, big appliances for the house. Of course, if you must, you do that, but you might keep your receipts because you might be disappointed or unhappy with your buy, or it will not gonna work out very long. So Scorpios, now we're gonna start tarot reading for September, and we're starting with Tarot Rider White. 3 cards from here. Let's see what the universe prepared for us. And we're having a Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands, it could be a person in your life that you might meet in your life, should be around, you might seek your help. So we'll see what else is all about. Another Queen, Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups, again, you definitely gonna be surrounded by people. So we'll see what else. Ten of Pentacles. Culmination of something. Also, this card will say that money-wise, you're gonna be absolutely fine. This is money, family, success. This card will say that you should plan everything ahead, then and be practical. Then everything will work out perfectly the way you want. So this card will say that you're gonna be surrounded by people you love, gonna feel loved and happy in your family, that you do everything absolutely right and you are rewarded with this. Right, next deck we're gonna use the Dark Mansion Tarot. We'll see. Three cards from here. And here we are, we're having 8 of Swords. 8 of Swords, the card of isolation, card of fear, unwillingness to act, to react. Here the card will say that you decided to isolate yourself from any social life, from anybody, and you don't you decided that you don't want to see clearly, you too scared. You're too scared to make decisions, make action. Here you prefer to hide. This card, but you only in your own thoughts you put yourself in that fear and uncertainty and unclarity. You put it yourself there, and only you can take yourself out of it. So I would say don't stay in this isolation for too long, because you might become depressed, and that can drag you and stay with you for a long time. So the quicker you take yourself out of this, the better is for you in absolutely all any kind of way. Queen of Wands. Like I say, you will try to isolate yourself, but you have no chance. You're gonna be surrounded by by many people. Maybe that's you scared of socializing. But again, this person gonna be in your life, and this is people absolutely with all different zodiacs. So including yourself. One more card. The Emperor. The Emperor is high rank card, which say that you should have nothing to fear, because this is card of stability. You're gonna feel quite stable in all aspects of your life. But this also card would say that this is card of conservatism. You don't really like anything new, anything big changes. So you are gonna be quite prompt and stubborn on your ways, the ways you used to, the way you like. Also, this card would say that it might be a person in your life, someone higher up, that's gonna be influencing you. But like I say, this is card of stability. You're gonna be promptly stay on your seat, on your feet, and you're gonna be in charge of the situation. Okay, next deck we're gonna use the Wheel of the Year Tarot. We'll see. And here we're having Princess of Wands. Princess of Wands is some new beginning. Here the woman is waiting for something, waiting for some news, or for someone. This is if it's your children, and you haven't seen them for a long time. So maybe you're waiting for them, or for some kind of a visit, or you're waiting to hear from them if they left home. And next we're having Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles, it's card of culmination. Something is over, and it's time to collect your hard rewards, hard-earned rewards. Your hard work is paid off, and so money-wise, you should be absolutely fine. You're gonna be very happy with yourself. You're gonna be proud with yourself, you're proud with your achievements. Like I said, your hard work finally paid off, and it's time to collect your rewards. One more card from here. Is King of Wands. King of Wands, it's again most likely a person in your life that's gonna be around. Maybe you are waiting for this person. So if you are alone, you might meet somebody, and it can be this person. But also, like I say, you're gonna have very sociable life, full and busy. Never mind that even if you wanna hide and say, okay, please, I just want to have some time alone, it's less likely. Gonna be surrounded by people. And next we're gonna use the Light Seers Tarot. 3 cards from here. And we're having 9 of Cups. Now 9 of Cups, it's a great card. It's a card of again self-pride. You're gonna be overwhelmed with feelings and joy and happiness. You're gonna feel overwhelmed with yourself, full of emotions. Very happy person. That card saying all of your wishes coming true as well. So that's very good. So emotionally you're gonna be happy. Just need to clear your mind and accept that you're part of social life. One more card is again Nine of Pentacles. Card repeat yourself. So that means we definitely have to pay attention to it. Everything gonna work out your way, as you wanted, as you planned, as you wished for, and you're gonna be very happy for it and about it. So yes, you work hard, but it's time to collect your hard-earned rewards. Very good. Very happy for you. Oops. 2 cards come out, so we're gonna have a look what it is all about. And we're having, what do we have here? We have Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands is saying that we're gonna have some new ideas and we're gonna go for it. Nothing gonna stop us. You're gonna be happy about it, and you're gonna be on fire. You're gonna be very active and enthusiastic about it. And then we have Four of Swords. Four of Swords say to us, maybe you need to take a break. Like I said, very active and sociable months, but also need to take a break and think about it, what you want to do ahead. Do you go in the right direction? Take a pause, maybe go to some have a spa day, have a retreat, because if not, you might feel a bit unwell. In worst case scenario, if you don't take the breaks, then universe will make you, and like I say, you might feel unwell, and the worst, you might end up in hospital. So to avoid that, I would suggest better go for a spa. Very interesting reading for you, Scorpio. So let's see what angels will suggest for you. Let's see. Again, I don't stop getting amazed every time how the cards talking to us and how is reflect our reading with the universe, with the angels, how they communicate, because we're having cleanse and detoxify. Look at this card. What I just said. Universe suggests take a break, angels as well. With great love and respect, we ask you to detoxify your precious and sensitive body. At your request, we'll help you to develop life-affirming ways to deal with stress, as well as ease any sorrow at shedding your old ways. Give your cares, worries, and concerns to us, and feel the beautiful grace of your newly purified body. Great advice and great help. Angels helping you. Very good. Let's see what Nature Oracle say. It's amazing because the nature say pause. We're still coming back for some reason. Yes, probably this month is going to be very intense, and you are quite people that not used to it. Very big socializing, and this month's gonna be very active. So yes, this is, like I said, take a pause, and the nature say take a pause. Take a pause and just watch world by and reflect on your life. Great advice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Please like, subscribe, leave comments, and let me know how it's working on your life. And I wish you all the best, and I'll see you the next time. Love you lots. Bye.